It is a beautiful day here in Banff. We had a lot of fun last night going up the gondola. Oh, thank you very much. You'll never guess where I am today. Welcome back to episode 3. It's a beautiful day here in the Canadian Rockies. And like most mornings in Canada, it's best to start the day with Tim Hortons. Definitely a delicacy in this part of the world. And I always get a chocolate dipped donut and a hot coffee. There we go, there's Tim Hortons. It was really good. But we're back out in the cold. Although I'm feeling a little bit warmer now that I have us. Banff is probably one of the prettiest places in the world, and we've only seen just a little bit of it. We still got so much more to go. So today we get to discover Banff. In a nutshell, there's the main street, where you can have a stroll, do some shopping. There are a lot of souvenir stores, dogs, Santa, and really, really good popcorn, which is Emma's favorite. One thing I always recommend is to go to the information center and ask for advice on things to do. They were awesome. So that's Banff. Got a little bit of snow here last night. I keep forgetting how cold it is up here. So we're gonna check out and go to Lake Minnewauk. I forget how it's. This is Lake Minnewauk. We weren't sure if we were gonna like this. We were like, yeah, should we go up there? I'm so glad we did. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's very slippery here, apparently. It's like sheer ice.
On my butt.
Today is going to be a fun day of just discovering cool places. This is insane. I've been to a lot of places around this world. I mean, there's way more places that I haven't been to. How do you even describe it? This is frozen ice. We're on a lake. And look. Alright, we're driving down the 1A. It's kind of like an offset road. The people in the information center were like, you gotta go on this road. It's beautiful. It is really beautiful. And they also told us about this place that I never would have thought to visit. So this is Johnson Canyon, or Canyon Johnson. It's about a mile hiking through this winter wonderland, and you get to the lower falls. It's mesmerizing to watch on this tiny viewing platform. And then we went a mile further. We finally made it to the top, the upper falls. Okay, I wasn't sure if we were gonna think it was worth it, but wow. So here, Lake Louise. And we're staying here at the Deer Lodge, but we got here maybe a little bit later. The sun obviously is down behind us. The temperature's dropping like crazy. I really want to come back here in the summer and just see what it's like, because it would be a completely different experience. It's pretty small in here, but you know, it's okay. We're still a little bit cold, so we figured this would be the best time to go on the rooftop and jump in the hot tub. So here we go.
This is cold. Yeah, beautifully cold. How's this? Oh, yeah.
So that's where I'm gonna leave you guys tonight in Lake Louise. The struggle is real, so stay warm, and thanks for watching. Banff, we made it to Banff. Welcome to Banff. Banff, Banff, Banff.
Banff.
Thanks again for watching. And if you have a sec, click that little subscribe button. And also you can click that little bell next to it so you'll get a notification every time I create something new.